listening.
Wednesday was 93 degrees in Presidio.
Oh, it'll be hot summer.
Yeah.
I love it. I'm ready for it. Global warming, come on.
Let's do that while I sit on the video, Judge.
Okay. You have to override him.
I don't know, Judge, something's going on with my understanding.
How was
Okay.
the brisket celebration?
I have no idea. They didn't tell me till it was already made and headed down.
Because I went and had some of that delicious, there's no brisket. When I asked, they said we're already over 200 units.
That's good.
So, and I think it was for the junior high, some of them, the junior high.
Yes, with the graduation in 2025.
Okay, Judge, I'm ready.
Ready?
Yes, sir.
All right, good morning, everyone. I am Jose Portillo Jr., the county judge of Presidio County, and I'm going to be doing arraignments today, and we do have a small docket. For those of you that are here for your arraignments, rest easy. This is just another opportunity for the way our system works in the court to tell you what it is that you're being charged with and to let you know what your rights are. We'll go ahead and start with, today is February 22nd, 2024. It's just after 10 a.m. And I'm going to start with cause number 6691, the state of Texas versus Cassandra Sabana Campos. Mrs. Campos? We haven't asked you, is there anything you want to change up on the way we've been doing
Sir, this is your court, Judge. We're ready to meet.
Thank you so very much. I appreciate that. But if you see something that makes it more efficient, don't hesitate.
I guess the only thing that I'll even say is if somebody's already had or, their phones, that's why I turn mine down. I always make an announcement, turn your phones down. And you're gonna talk loud, step outside, but everybody usually hears pretty good.
Okay, sounds good. I try to keep that advice. I was in church on Wednesday, last Wednesday, and went off, and I was pretty embarrassed. So, yeah.
Last we love you.
I appreciate it. I'm going to do this again. Cause number 6691, Cassandra Sabana Campos. Cassandra Sabana Campos. Madam Clerk, did you have any issues this last go around sending out or
No, sir.
receiving? Okay. So we'll move on to cause number 6710, the state of Texas versus Robert Jeffrey Brill. Robert Jeffrey Brill. Robert Jeffrey Brill. Cause number 6750, the state of Texas versus Manuel Hernandez. Manuel Hernandez. Manuel Hernandez. Cause number 6751, the state of Texas versus Jose Eliseo Meraz. Jose Eliseo Meraz. We're gonna bat 1,000.
I hope not, Judge.
Jose Eliseo Meraz.
Is it 500 considered really good?
Very good. Cause number 6753, the state of Texas versus Hector Montelongo. Hector Montelongo. Hector Montelongo. Cause number 6754, the state of Texas versus Juan Daniel Valles. Juan Daniel Valles. Juan Daniel Valles. This means the next one is 6982. It's been resolved.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's the next one.
Okay,
The next one.
the next two.
And 7105.
Okay. And so we'll move on,
31's
16.
yeah.
Clause number 7116, the state of Texas versus Harry Joseph Crofton. Harry Joseph Crofton. Harry Joseph Crofton. Cause number 7120, state of Texas versus Aldo Alexander Alfaro. Aldo Alexander Alfaro. This is peculiar. You agree?
Yeah, it's a lease.
Cause number 7122, the state of Texas versus Roderick Lee Rittenhouse.
Mr. Brittenham, Judge, Los Angeles Public Defender, we are not appointed on this particular case, but we do have cases that we're appointed to out of Brewster County for him.
Okay,
If you'd extend your appointment to this,
I will.
then we'll start the handle. I think when it's not, it should be able to solve unless it's a fact.
What does he have in this?
I know he has a case. I don't know
What are the felonies?
I can look it up if my phone was working. It's felony.
Yeah.
So.
That one.
No. So, yeah, what I'll do is try to resolve it with the felony when we get to resolve the felony, but, other than that, I'll do what I can on this case.
Okay, Mr. Pond, do you have any issues with that? No, okay. Yeah, you two just keep in contact and, we'll see what we need to.
Thank you.
Do you, and this is for arraignment, do you want to wait?
Yeah, we'll waive, Judge, and I can file one as soon as I get back to the office, and I'll get in contact with
Mr. Pond? Okay, that's agreeable with me, so. Okay, good luck, Mr. President, thank you for being in court.
Okay, do y'all send out mail on the court dates?
Yes.
Yes,
I can get no mail.
Okay.
and if you wanna get with, you know, real fast and give her your address and updated address, the county clerk should write there at the desk. And, we can update it in the system, so that way you will get the docket.
And the address that we have listed here for you is out of Austin, is that right?
Yeah, that's the address they have for you.
If you want me to, I'll say in open court if you're okay with that.
Yeah.
It was 2201 Palo Pinto Drive, Austin, Texas,
Okay, that's my house.
78723.
Yeah.
Okay, that's where it was.
That's where it was sent to. But if you have an updated address that you're currently staying at, you can give it to Carolina. And, we can update it in the system so you can receive it here.
It shouldn't be a problem when you went out at one point, Judge. So
Yeah,
we'll take care of it.
yeah, and she will, go receive it too.
Okay, Mr. President.
And just for my sake, we send it certified. No, we don't, we just send it, and that's what we have, and it's the duty of whoever the defendant is to make sure that we have the proper address.
Final case has been resolved.
Yes.
Okay, very good. So we'll go ahead and bring these, okay, we'll move to pre-trials. And the first one is cause number 6599, the state of Texas versus John Michael Serrano. And I believe, I think we have his counsel, Mr. Spencer.
Good morning, Your Honor.
How are you?
Doing well, Judge. Thank you.
Good. Are you in the Sun City?
Yes, sir. In between El Paso and Las Cruces, yes, sir.
All right, well, good. Mr. Pond?
Mr. Spencer, your client has two pending DWIs.
Yes, I'm missing the second cause number, because I talked to my client and he has no recollection of a new DWI, and I'm wondering if there's a glitch or misidentification. What is this new cause number on the new DWI?
I don't have that on in front of me because it's not on this docket, but I will get with my office and we'll forward you that information.
Do you have it, Ms. Megan?
No, I think that's.
But, of course, that's going to affect my plea offer to you, so let me, Judge, you can reset it for the next docket and then let me get the information on both cases to Mr. Spencer. And, then he can make a better announcement with the next docket.
Okay.
How's that, Mr. Spencer?
Yes, no objection. Thank you, Judge.
Okay, sounds good. So we will continue and we will hopefully have a little more information, next docket. So,
My understanding is that the new DWI happened subsequent to this one.
Yes, sir. Understood.
do you have anything else, Mr. Spencer?
Nothing further, Your Honor. Thank you. May I be excused?
You may be excused, Mr. Pond.
That's fine.
Okay, very good. We'll move on. Cause number 7077, the state of Texas versus Sergio Delgado.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, how are you?
I'm doing good, and you?
I'm doing very well. Mr. Pine?
The, I believe we've discussed, my notes indicate, Ms. Nava, have you discussed, my office, I think, has discussed this matter with your office about a resolution.
So I did speak with them this morning. They were sending me the videos via USB. They were having trouble attaching it, so they're going to mail it to me. But they did make the offer for a pretrial diversion program. So I just needed to talk to my client. But I do think we'll be able to work it out with that.
Yes, so DWI first, so talk to your client and let us know if he's going to accept the offer. If he doesn't, we'll have it, when you set it on the docket, we resolve the pretrial diversion offers without, without having to come back to court.
Yeah, it shouldn't be an issue. I just want to make sure I talk to him and let him know exactly what it entails and everything. But I think we'll have a resolution.
Thank you.
Okay. Do you have anything further, Ms. Nava?
No, Your Honor, I don't know if we want to set it just for another status, but hopefully I get him into the program and everything before then, and it's not an issue. Or how would the court like to handle it?
That's fine. And I think we're gonna try to set another docket for sometime.
So we have one in March.
Okay, do we have a firm date yet on that?
I'm sorry, yes, sorry.
I don't hold this to it, but it's probably mid to late March.
21st.
It's the 21st. 21st.
Okay, perfect, Your Honor.
That's all.
Okay. Anything, do you have any other questions or anything else you need, Ms. Nava?
No, Your Honor, I'll speak with my client and I'll get back with the prosecutor.
Okay, so we'll see you in March.
Thank you. Have a good one. Mr. Devo, I'll usually.
Yes. And you may be excused.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Is that really got
Yes.
All
I
right.
think it's all the next one, Judge 708.
Okay.
Your Honor, I represent Mr. Gonzalez. I haven't received the dismissal yet, so if I can get that paperwork. I'd appreciate it. Yeah, I don't know if you've sent that yet, but.
What's that?
If we could get it, I'd appreciate it. So
Yeah.
I think maybe it may actually have been sent this morning.
Okay,
Yeah, I'll get the
perfect.
judges.
Is that fine with you?
No, man. No, I just want the paperwork, that's all I'm saying.
No, we'll get it done. That looks like, I think, it looks like, Ms. Nunez has it here, ready for me to sign.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It's good, and, next one is looking well. It looks like you're already in discussions on the next one with, the attorney.
That's, and we're gonna resolve that, so we can have to come back to court. Okay, which is.
Okay.
We'll move on to the last one I had in the docket, cause number 7121, the state of Texas versus Shane Alexander.
So Judge, this one isn't much different than Mr. Britton's case. We represent him on another case in Brewster County. If you extend an appointment today, I'd ask that you hold off on issuing an outside form and I'll get a hold of them and get it before probably get this resolved.
Mr. Pond,
That's fine.
you have no issue with that? Okay. Is there anything else? So I don't. I'm perplexed with the number of no-shows. And okay. And
I went to go to my side and talk.
Yes.
Except this relative. Okay.
no, we're good. We're good.
Yes.
May I go, Judge?
Please.
ETD for Brewster County, and Brewster County. Well, clerks is here for them. We'll just see.
Hello, how are you? He's gonna be,
The name,
yes,
the animal?
yes.
Sorry.
He does his job.
That, right?
I heard yesterday, so you're trying to get rid of my office during this election. That's the rumor.
Have you ever heard of any, false and scurrilous things going around during?
I'm just saying, but you should know that that's the rumor going around.
That's not.
I'm just telling you. It's the rumor going around.
I know, I get orders.
I was told yesterday,
We did. Okay.
not by the most reliable source, but I was told yesterday. So,
You believe everyone that people want to say about the other than dead or in prison. Not a quarter of a long time.
fair enough.
So, they come up this book, right?
Oh, that's true. I mean, in the flesh. What did you say?
You know, just a
We have to.
Not bad.
Not, is it different one? Is that the one that Stephanie represented?
Yes.
Okay. I wonder if anybody knows. This Alfaro person who lives here, Martha. 7120. Is that the kid, like, you know? The two brothers that were named Alfaro and one together now? Where am I?
I'm not sure.
The twins, is he one of them? Is the one Stephanie, I think. Okay.
What do you? No. That's a good.
Well, we actually got this letter back.
No, that's just a.
What? Almost. Oh, yeah, his, docket, yeah, she had already, before she had talked to him. They already. Oh. So he did. There's no return docket. I'm not gonna do this, so. Anyways, the court, if you don't want to give them. Okay, names were called out.
David, if you would you go to right? Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Did you go to the front of the courthouse and state the names of cause number 6691, 67, and 6750, 6751, 6753, 6754, 7116, and 7120? Did you call out their names 3 times in front of the courthouse steps?
Yes, sir, I did.
Did you have any response?
No, sir.
Thank you very much. It is the order of the court and on those call numbers for a judgment 9 side to be issued. for their failure to appear. And with that, yes, what we did, probably be longer to drive here.
Yeah,
Well,
most definitely.
I had to be here in Marfa, so.
Is there anything else that anybody wants to discuss while Corey's still in session?
Well, sir, I'll tell you that you beat the Brewster County judge's time yesterday by 1 minute.
1 minute. Okay, well, I'm actually gonna meet with Judge Pennington and Judge Evans, I think, tomorrow.
Yes.
I think we have a meeting tomorrow, so we'll discuss it. Court is in recess.
So did you reach it?